Due to the alarming rate of childhood obesity in today's schools, the need to provide healthy vending alternatives to students ought to be our nation's #1 priority. At the rate we're going, the children of today will be the first generation in history to average shorter lives than their parents did. Our core belief is that all students deserve access to fresher, healthier vending machines. If you're interested in learning how to create a healthier school for your students, while putting money back into your school's budget, please keep watching. Fresh Healthy Vending is dedicated to providing schools nationwide with access to a comprehensive healthy vending program, with menus that meet all state nutritional guidelines and feature new vending products. The Fresh Healthy Vending menu features products such as 100% juices, smoothies, yogurts, organic milk, pita chips, and fruit bars, along with hundreds of additional healthy and delicious snacks and drinks. In fact, we have over 300 natural, organic, and healthy snacks in our product list just for schools. At Fresh Healthy Vending, we feature menus specialized to the individual tastes of elementary, middle, and high school students. The best part is that our nationwide network of professional vending ambassadors will not only place a fresh, healthy vending machine in your school at no cost to you, we'll actually pay you a commission on all sales from the machines. Fresh, healthy vending machines are bright, colorful, and attractive in order for students and faculty to know that the machines offer healthy drinks and snacks. At Fresh Healthy Vending, there's a fresh approach and thinking to vending, with features like new energy-efficient LED lighting, to remote monitoring and cashless payment systems. Fresh Healthy Vending is reinventing the concept of vending in schools. Our Fresh Healthy Vending operators provide white glove delivery of the machines to your schools and daily service if necessary. The machines feature 24-hour monitoring via the internet, so we know when to service the machines. Our highly qualified customer service team is strongly backed by operational field support, as well as student menu feedback and sampling events in order to deliver the best possible products to the schools we serve. Our Fresh Healthy Vending school placement team specializes in securing public and private school locations for our nationwide network of operators. They are fully trained in all state nutritional guidelines covering snacks and drinks in vending machines. We have recently launched in your school's area, and we are submitting offers to schools right now. Limited numbers of machines are available, as many school districts are taking multiple machines for all the middle and high schools in their area. We will also be working closely with local journalists in your area to generate press coverage and increase public awareness about healthy eating in schools. If your school participates in this unique program to provide healthy food and drinks to students, press releases will feature your school's name as an example of a school that has taken the initiative to do something positive. Fresh Healthy Vending also has plans to play a vital role in First Lady Michelle Obama's Let's Move campaign, which centers on getting healthier foods into schools. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Remember, there is no cost to you, and we pay you a commission on all sales from Fresh Healthy Vending. If you are interested in our program, please fill out the form below or call us today at 888-902-7558. And one of our Fresh Healthy Vending school team members will answer any questions you may have. Thank you for considering Fresh Healthy Vending, a revolution in healthy vending whose time has come.